Lisa, and you're watching Weigh In Wednesday on February 20th, 2013. And well, I was really antsy yesterday because sometimes every couple of weeks I know I've done horribly. You know, it is what it is. It's okay. I did ugly. Last week was a binge week. This week was half and half. Near the end, I started to eat better. And so, you know, I've had a harsh couple of weeks, and that's no excuse, you know. It is what it is. I can't take the past back. I'm not going to sit here and yell at myself. However, yesterday I weighed myself after eating and drinking quite a bit of water, mind you, and I was 4 pounds up from even last week. What was I up to last week? 195. So I had gained 3 pounds last week, and now 4, so that's 7 pounds in 2 weeks. If that's what it is. I'm going to go weigh myself now. We'll find out. It is what it is. Okay, let's go. Oh, phew. Okay, good. That was a fluke. 192.4. 193. A maintain. That isn't going to give me an excuse to binge again. However, I can't believe it. That's without exercising. That's with binging for like a week and a half. Whoa. My body really kicked up the metabolism when I was working out. Thank you. Thank you. I just realized, what the heck am I talking about? That ain't no maintain. That was what I was before last week. I lost again. I lost! Okay, I was 195. I'm down to 193. I lost 2 pounds. It means I'm back down to, or back up to 18 pounds lost. I wasn't giving myself full credit. Holy crow. I did amazing. I'm so ecstatic. It just goes to show that when you deal with your shit, the emotional shit, it can really, really help you out in the end. Whoa, that's exciting. 2 pounds lost this week. Hope you had a wonderful week and that your weighing goes just as well. I'm giving you lots of love and support, everyone who's on the Quest and Weigh list, and all of the other lovely, amazing, beautiful souls that have been inspiring me and encouraging me for the last few weeks. You helped me get out of the hole I was crawling into, along with my own willpower and my own motivation and inspiration. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of the week. Namaste.